again. Yo, 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 what's up? What's up? It's Coach Nick Money. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. And I couldn't do it without the one and only, the indelible one,
Yes.
DBL Nicks.
In the house.
In the house. And of course, shall we unravel the secret weapon doubles? Mm-hmm. Shall we unravel the bushy tail Serengeti specialist? Are you guys ready for the Serengeti specialist? She's here. She's here. The one, the only, DBL Moms.
Hey!
Yeah, baby. Yeah, that's what's up. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, would you kindly consider subscribing to the YouTube channel and doing what this young man over how suggests?
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. And remember to share.
Let's do a share party, folks. Let's get some folks in here. Let's get some folks in here so we can share with the entertainment. Ladies and gentlemen, just a reminder, this is not stock or financial advice. This is just a show. We're not stock or financial advisors, so do your own due diligence. And, of course, you can subscribe to us on X, or a.k.a. Twitter.
At Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money. And, of course, we have a tremendous amount of content out there. We're basically monitoring the microcap market from 4 o'clock in the morning to 8 o'clock in the evening. Who does that?
Nobody.
Nobody except us. The Lions do it. The Lions. The Lions do it. Rawr. Or the Lioness. Right here. Give us a round. There you go. That's scary. That's scary. Doubles, that's scary.
Yes.
Yes. You can also follow us on Twitch at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
You can follow us on TikTok at DBL Nicks.
DBL Nicks.
At DBL Nicks. And the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And we will be streaming live on social media right now. And then at around 9:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we will be switching over to our Discord, where we will be streaming for our private Discord members. We invite you to come and join us. There's a link in the description and in the pinned comment for $1.99 to do a 4-day trial. And, of course, you'll have access to all of our parabolic alerts. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. No rookies here. This is the real McCoy. Now, it's been a little bit slow today, but we still picked CTCX, which ran 74% for our private Discord, and KXIN ran 50%, and some other ones that also ran, like WW Weight Watchers ran 55%. We're looking at Weight Watchers. It's been generally trending upward. Let's get ready to get the graffiti pencil activated, and let's do some, let's do some chatting. Some chatting.
Yes.
And checking out the float, and checking out the volume, and checking out the news, because all of that is important. Charting by itself ain't important unless you got the other stuff. You need to know all the other stuff, and much more. Much more. Ladies and gentlemen, time for an espresso ice break. Give me a second there. Woo-wee! Let's go. BNZI. Parabolic runner? Yes? No? Come on now. Let's see what's going on. BNZI. Oh my! It moves parabolic 121%. Holy moly. Graffiti pencil activated. Let's go. It had a high of $6.58. What's the story? DBL Moms? What's the story? Banzai announces strategic business initiative to improve net income by up to $13.5 million annually. And that is an 8:31 a.m. news article. The float is 493,000 shares. It's a micro mini float. It's got a low float, folks. And the volume is 1.6 million. It has hit a high of 126%. 100%. And this has been a previous runner, this little
BNZI.
on a side chart. On a side chart, I tell you. BNZI will come back to you. I'm going to keep an eye on you because you got news and you've run the past, you know what I mean? And you got a decent float and your volume is okay. So you're checking off all the marks. How about MNTS?
MNTS.
Let's go. MNTS in the house. Oh, no. That top tail looks terrible. Terrible. Momentum selected by NASA to provide launch services 8:30 in the morning. It's a 53-cent stock. How could you be a 53-cent stock in NASA picture? How could you be doing that? What are you doing wrong? You're up 29%. Float 16 million. Volume only 3.7 million. It's curling, but it's got to really break some of these levels over here. Oh my! As I say it broke the level. Oh my! 39%. Very, very choppy. Very scary. I'm a very scary. It's like a Halloween movie. You know?
Ish.
What is it? Friday the 13th. Freddy Krueger. I don't know.
Yeah.
Something like that. Jason with the axe. Chop. I don't know. I'm scared. It's got significant resistance at 41 cents. 41 cents.
Yes.
Significant resistance right over there. Let's put a little ringy dingy at 41 cents right over here. Is it 41 cents? Wait a minute. No. 64 cents. That's right. 64 cents. That's where your resistance is. This is where the shorts would be congregating. That's where they hang out with their bikes and their Speedos and their weird helmets. And the Speedos are too small.
Yes.
You know. And, I call them the Banana Republic. You know, the shorts. But it looks like they're winning because we got a double top. Double top on MNTS. I'm going to have to relegate you to a side chart. MNTS, side chart. Back to WW. Don't you feel it should be called WWW dot? You know, I'm just saying. It's just a thought. I'm thinking out loud over here. All right, let's clear some of the old drawings. Let's clear them. Let's go ahead and clear some of the older drawings. This one over here. Let's clear that one. Let's go ahead and activate a graffiti pencil. Graffiti pencil activated. Yes. And we can do one of these, and this is trending. However, it has formed a terrible double top on the 1 minute doubles. Let's go to the 5 minute doubles.
5 minutes.
We're looking at the 5 minutes, and we're going to do a little zoom in the room, and you could see more clearly that it is clearly forming a double top, and this one right here could even be a shoulder, head, shoulder, so a head and shoulder on this one. I will circle it just because, I don't know, I got the technology for it. You know what I mean? Boom. So it looks like it's going to pull back, folks. Thoughts on KXIN? This is the play. Let's check it out. It went up 50% earlier in the morning. Let's get some information on KXIN.
KXIN?
KXIN. Yeah, that's what I typed.
You said KIXIN.
Oh, leave me alone. Stop bothering me. You're bothering me, child. You're bothering me. All right, so it looks like it's breaking a downtrend. That's good. So we go ahead and activate a graffiti pencil. We've got this going on over here. So it did break a downtrend. That's a good start. And right now, it looks like it is consolidating in this general vicinity over here. Right here, you got some consolidation. This is the 5 minute chart. Let's go to the 1 minute chart.
1 minute.
And when we look at the 1 minute chart, when we do a zoom in the room, we take a little bit of a peek, and you can see that there is barcoding. So there's lack of liquidity. It needs volume. You've got liquidity being provided by your market makers. That's what causes the barcoding type of situation over here. It's a 20-cent stock, up 14 cents. It was up 50% earlier in the morning. Floats a little bit heavy, but again, cheap stock, 41 million. Volume, here's the issue, only 16 million. So it needs volume, doubles. It needs volume, I tell you. Volume. Let's take a looky at MNTS. It looks like it's going to move, and then we'll go and check out BNZI for this is the play. All right, so MNTS curling. We got significant resistance at 64 cents and 55. We have a double top. It's trying to recover. The story on MNTS is that it is currently, oh my, it's expensive. Wait, MNTS, is that an actual price? No, that's a percentage. Okay, no, it's 60 cents. 60 cents, okay. Up 44%, 46%. They got it. They got selected by NASA. They got selected by NASA to provide launch services. This is 8:30 in the morning. Float 16 million. Volume 6 million. There's your issue. They are at a significant resistance area and they are struggling to break through. So, like that. BNZI. BNZI had some news this morning. Let's go check it out. This is for you. My pleasure. This is the play. My pleasure. My pleasure. BNZI. Let's check it out. All right. It looks like it's trying to hold above the 9 EMA on the 1 minute, which is good. And if we get the graffiti pencil activated over here, we could say that there is the beginning of a pennant, maybe, possibly. We could even say maybe it could be the beginning of a descending wedge pennant or descending wedge bull reversal pennant. It would need to hold support on the bottom line, and obviously also we want it to hold support on this key level of $5.82, and we want to see it to break out of this upper resistant band of the descending wedge and do something like that. If the price action could shoot up, then your next resistance level will be the high of day right over here. So that's what we're hoping for. Unfortunately, the RSI is showing me that it is still overbought. So that's kind of an issue, because that would kind of suggest that there might be a sell-off because the sellers seem to be in control. In other words, it's in the supply zone. You got a diminishment in the size of the volume candles, so attention has navigated away from BNZI for the time being. However, it did go up 126%. On news that it announced a strategic business initiative to improve net income by up to $13.5 million annually. And that was at 8:31 in the morning. And what I do like about the company is that its float is only 493,000 shares. So it's a micro float. And the volume is not too bad either at 3.3 million. So if it can hold this level right here, $5.82, and break out of the descending wedge, or at the very least bounce off of the 9 EMA, which is at 569, and get above the 582, well, then it starts to get kind of schmexy. That's my thoughts on it, and I got BNZI on a side chart.
Side chart?
Yeah. I also got MNTS on a side chart, but I'm a little concerned about MNTS because MNTS is at a significant resistance level. MNTS, let's go check it out. MNTS. It too had some news. It too did some significant movement. However, you got a very big resistance area at 64.55. It needs to break through that. And if we go to a higher time frame, we could check out some other stuff and see if there's any confluence with the theory. You could see that there's a triple top on the 5 minutes. So,
5 minutes.
So it's respecting this key level, unfortunately. Looks like the shorts might be controlling it at the moment. Might be. All right, this is 30 minutes. This is 1 hour, 20 days. So if it can get above there, you're going to have a couple of areas that we could set as key levels. Maybe over here, maybe over there, maybe over there, and maybe over there. So we got to see what happens. But we got a lot of top tails on this fella right over here. This fella's got
like
1, 2, 3 top tails, and then a red one. No, and we don't like the red candles either. Okay?
No.
I mean, if you gotta catch your breath, I get it, but you know what I mean. Yeah. After that, you gotta go up. You know what I mean? Okay. All right. Goodbye. Bye. Take it easy. Take it easy. Okay. So back to WW. Weight Watchers. Generally trending upward. Weight Watchers generally trending upward, up 50%. However, it formed this terrible double top over here, and with this particular area right over here, you could even say that this could even be considered a potential head and shoulders pattern right over here. So if that's accurate, it could pull downward. We would hope that it would stay above the trend line right over here and above the support area, and even better would be if it could stay above VWAP, which is about $1.71. Folks, let's get this sharing going on. Let's share. Let's do it. Let's do it, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, folks. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right. What else are we looking at? DBO moms. Let me at them. Let me at them. Come on now. Let me at them. How about CTCX? CTCX. All right. So this pumped and pumped earlier in the morning, went up 74%. 74% on no news whatsoever. I don't believe it had any news. Did it have news? It did not have news. It had news? It did not have news. Did it have news? It did not have news. No. Float 13 million, volume 29 million, but unfortunately, it formed a terrible double top. One over here, one over here. This is on the 5-minute doubles, and then it did the flusheroo. And it looks like it's still flushing a roo, and it looks like maybe, I don't know, maybe it diluted. I don't know. I'm just taking a guess because look at how terrible this looks double. Look at this. Look at this.
Yay.
I mean, at least it's holding on the 200, but that's not, I don't know. I wouldn't write home about that. You need to break this downtrend. Look at this 9 EMA. It looks like it's going to break its neck. Come on. Come on. Turn around. Turn around, I tell you. Let's go to 1 minute.
1 minute.
Hot mess. It looks like a hot mess. What happened? What happened? You were doing so good early in the morning. What do we got here? Rob G says Lace, L-A-S-E. That ran nicely yesterday. Lace. All right, all right. Let's clear the palette, folks. Let's clear the palette. All right. Clear the drawings. Here we go. 1, 2. All right. So over here we got still a general move upward. So we can put a little bit of a trend line over here. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go right there. Come on. There we go. All right. General trend line going upward. This is the 1 minute chart. I could see that it just doesn't have a lot of volume. You can see it's scarcely volumated. It is extended from the VWAP, but you could see that the price action is still pushing upward. It's currently up only 12%. Again, this is a continuation, so that's always an issue because a lot of times these companies have shelf registrations and they like to execute them the next day. And Lace, I don't know. I mean, I think it's done that in the past. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it has. Float 8.8 million, volume 1.6 million. It's extending a little bit, but again, a little bit on the risky side. Let's go to a longer time frame. Let's go take a look at it on the 5 minute. And it also still looks like it's kind of scarcely volumated, if you will. You do have a cup and handle kind of formation on the 5, but again, not a lot of volume. If I look at this particular candle, only 48,000 shares on a 5 minute chart. If I go to the 1 minute chart, the latest candle, this one over here, which is super extended, only 54,000 shares. So it just doesn't have the volume. You know what I mean? It doesn't have the volume. You would have a resistance at the high of day, which is 942, which was yesterday, late yesterday, 942, right around here. So that would be a resistance area for it. It could either form a double top and become a bearish pattern, or if it gains momentum, it could push through. However, it doesn't have a lot of volume, so that double top could certainly be a expected result with Lace. Bobo Beebs, what's up? Howdy, how's it going? I can't see your screen. Just getting a green or gray screen. We got a problem with the screen? Let's see. Do we got a problem with the screen?
This one looks fine.
Okay.
This one on YouTube doesn't.
Oh, what happened to YouTube?
I don't know.
What happened to YouTube?
I don't know. Maybe a glitch.
A glitch. All right. YouTube. Well, you could watch it on Twitter or on Twitch. I don't know why YouTube's
Twitter and Twitch look fine.
Yeah, but YouTube doesn't, huh?
Yeah,
Interesting.
That's weird.
Is there anything we could do to try to fix it?
I mean, you can restart the stream if you like.
Yeah, let's do that. Folks, we're going to restart the stream because for some reason YouTube's not showing up. So we'll be right back. Sorry about this. I don't know what happened. Don't know what happened. Don't know. We'll be back.